is situated on the route of the original Transcontinental Railroad. It was already an incorporated town before the railroad arrived. It was good fortune for Morgan to be so situated. The little depot was a stop on the Union Pacific Overland route. It has recently been renovated and restored as a museum and was being dedicated on this July 4th. The town had 3 big events this day: the depot dedication, their town's 4th of July parade down Front Street, and the arrival of Big Boy 4014. The depot sits between the railroad tracks and Front Street. During the parade, several eastbound freights zoomed by as the parade was moving along. I was torn between filming the parade or the train. I tried to get some of both. With the parade over, attention turned to the railroad tracks. Some people scrambled across the north side or stayed behind the fence at the depot. Then this happened. The eastbound freight began slowing down and for some reason came to a stop right where the big boy was going to be upon arrival. That blocked the view of all those who had taken up positions on the north side. So they picked up and walked down around the end of the train. Some of us wondered where were the Union Pacific police. Finally, they arrived just moments before the arrival of Big Boy and ushered people into safe locations. Big Boy was about an hour late from the 11 a.m. scheduled arrival, but the wait was worth it.
The whole thing, huh? How long do you want to go for?
I'm okay. This is all we do. If we go for the food, it's more than just on late.
So fucking mad, like, maybe we should just go eat in there. I'm okay if we're not like 20 feet up the
Yeah, I don't want to do that. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Look, there's lots of
You want to watch it? Yeah. You want to watch it go all the way or you want to go potty? Alright, all the way.